Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Front Wheel Hub Bearing Assembly. This front wheel hub bearing assembly works on the 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer, along with the 2007 to 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Your wheel bearings are a crucial part of the drivetrain, as they allow your wheels and tire to rotate smoothly without friction. Should there be loud noises from your wheel area, loose steering, vibration, or even uneven tire wear, one of your bearings at that area of your vehicle causing these issues might be the problem. While this wheel hub bearing is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct bolt-on part, thanks to, of course, the OEM lug pattern and the mounting locations. This also comes with the full ABS sensor harness. Installation of a hub bearing can be something you could do yourself, as there are no special tools that are required. Just make sure you bolt down using the proper amount of torque and always double check the fitment. If you have any questions about these wheel hub bearings, please reach out to us anytime. We are glad to help.